Hello everyone, welcome back to Technique 4's tutorials. In this video, I will show you the new features added in Logii, where you can reopen last tabs and retain browser size. Let's get started. Logii browser keeps getting better and better, with the new features added just for you. Now you can, number 1, restore your last used tabs. Now you can open the last tabs you used when closing a profile. Let me show you. Here, I am opening a profile named Test. You can find the new features Restore Tabs when you click on this button on the top right side of your screen. Now, I'll open a few tabs. Then I'll close this profile and reopen it. Then I'll just click on this button and select Restore Tabs. It will restore the tabs that I last used or opened a while ago. So this is the first feature that we have added to Logii browser. Moving on to the next one. Number 2, open a profile with the last browser size. Now, any profile will open with the last browser size it was when it was closed. You can resize your browser profiles however you want. When you close it, all your other profiles will open on the same size it last was. For example, I resize this one. Close it and open a different one. It will then open on the same size as the last browser profile that I closed a while ago. And those are the 2 new features added in Logii browser. I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching.